today?
To the American Girl Doll store.
Yeah, we found out that the Seattle American Girl store is closing. And we haven't been there before, usually because it is so darn pricey. But they are having discounts on things. So me and Sophie and Grandma, we're masking up. And we are going to go into the American Girl store and see what we can find. Are you excited?
Yes, and we're even going to get some American Girl doll clothes for Kirsten.
Think so?
Oh,
All
good.
right.
Yeah.
All right. We got a long line. All right, go ahead. Is that Hamilton? Or no, Nutcracker?
Nutcracker, Mouse King, and Land of Sweets out. Popcorn and pizza popcorn.
It looks like
movies,
they're
and
having
Nesties.
a slumber party, Sophie.
Yeah.
All right, well that was a lot busier than we thought it was going to be, huh? But we waited in line and we had our first and last American Girl experience. What did you think, Sophie?
I liked it.
Yeah, did we get a few goodies?
Yeah.
Maybe we're going to have to do an American Girl haul.
Hi.
Plus a few things that Grandma got that we don't get to see until her birthday,
Right.
which we'll see later.
I guess we're going to have to do American Girl doll. What did you say?
A haul?
American Girl doll haul.
Doll Hall.
Doll
It rhymes,
Hall.
doesn't it?
It rhymes.
Yeah.
An American Girl doll haul after my birthday.
Oh, well, that's
Okay,
a good idea.
that's a good idea.
Maybe we can do that. Sophie wanted to do a haul of the things that she opened up today. And then she wants to do a haul of the things that she's going to get on her birthday that Grandma got for her. So this is a little outfit for Melody. So the American Girl store was very much running out of things. It was crazy that we got what we did because the shelves were getting pretty bare. But we found a few things, didn't we? And don't mind the sound of the tantruming three-nager out there. Daddy is helping him out there.
And I got this little baby outfit.
Yeah, you got a bitty baby outfit. So that can go in one of your... That might even fit on Kirsten too. But it's meant to go on a bitty baby or on a baby doll.
It doesn't fit on Kirsten.
Oh, okay. Well, it can go on a bitty baby then. Which we don't have an actual bitty baby, but we have baby dolls. Alright, here's a baby you can try it on. So cute.
Well, the foot is too big for these foot places.
Well, yeah. The legs are a little long, but it still fits her pretty well.
I got a new art thing.
Yeah, so it's crafts through the decades. We took a look through the book, and it's all the way from the 1890s, every single decade, until the 2010s. So we'll learn a little history as we go.
I'll show you one of the pictures here.
Oh yeah, votes for women. The suffragettes. That's good. Can I see the cover of the book? All decades.
Look, it's in the dance party.
Yeah, she's having the disco dance party. There's some crafts that are in this side. So that's kind of a fun little thing.
And there's also some new glasses.
Oh, do you want to put those glasses on Kirsten?
And I got new glasses.
Yeah, you could try both pairs of glasses on her. Oh, isn't that cute? Very nice.
A little notepad for Kirsten to scribble on.
Yeah, I think that's actually for she wants to be a waitress. She can write down people's orders in there.
It's a downside one. Is this actual paper?
Yeah, it's dolly size. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Got her a little purse.
I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. I've got some glasses. They're in here right now. I got a little pouch.
Some little pouch for her glasses.
Let's see how it.
They're sparkly glasses. Oh, she looks so smart.
She's a teacher.
She's a teacher? Oh, okay.
All teachers wear glasses.
All teachers wear glasses, huh?
Except for
Very nice.
Mrs. Wallace.
Oh, okay. Why don't you sit in your chair so I can see you?
Ooh.
Those are her original shoes that came with her original outfit.
Hey,
Back in 1992, 1993 when Mommy got her.
okay, Kirsten, stay in place, okay?
And I'll just show which books we got, because some of these are for when you're a little older too. Since everything was 50% off, it was worth it. So we got a year of mini mysteries to solve. Your Happiest You. I like all of the self-esteem theme stuff and kindness and compassion and empathy related stuff. Making a Difference. Using your talents and passions to change the world. Drama, Rumors, and Secrets.
What's that?
So this will be when you're a little bit of an older girl and that kind of thing starts happening more often. Will help you navigate your friendships a little bit.
What does navigate mean?
Figure out. And when we start, once the pandemic is over and we start traveling again, this is everything you need to know about adventuring near and far. This is how to be responsible with money, which is very important.
What's responsible mean?
Making good choices. Yep, money is an important tool that we learn how to use it the right way. And this is for standing up for yourself. That's an important skill too. And for your friends.
Did you get everything?
So there's just some life skills stuff in there that I like. That's one thing I like about the American Girl Company. They have lots of character building in there, which is great. Good for girls and boys too. We also got a little purse for Kirsten. It's shaped like a snowflake and it's all sparkly. And it came with some jewelry.
Yes, it's some of Kirsten's jewelry.
Is it good? Has a bracelet?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, very cute. And then you can put the other one on her other arm.
Let me put this back for safekeeping now.
For safekeeping. You're so cute. And she got a little tiny ring for her finger. It's a little tiny doll ring. It's so cute. Very nice. Alright, here's Melody's outfit from 1964. We've got a 60s outfit here. We're gonna put on her. Isn't that cute? Did you know that Grandma used to have a dress kind of like that in the 60s? There she is in her little 60s outfit. So cute. Very fashionable. She even has ribbons in her hair. Well, that's it. You say thanks for watching my haul?
Thanks for watching my haul.
Yeah. Got to see all of your fancy American Girl stuff, huh? That's a very special thing we don't get to do very often, huh?
9 vultures. 10. 10 houses. 11. 11 dogs. 12. 12 fish. 13. 13 fish. 14. 14 dogs. 15. 15 birds. 16. 16 umbrella. 17. 17 mice. 18. 18 fish. 19. 19 flowers. 20. What is this?
20?
Where's 21?
Well, they don't have a 21 in this one.
20.
20 and 20 balls.
20 balls.
Stars on them.
We're gonna start over again.
And down.
Just starting to learn how to write his letters.
Oh, okay. So
With
what have
Grandma.
we got here? We're dinosaur with a drum.
And what's the next letter?
This is what is this letter?
E.
E.
What
Start
does
with
E
the big
say,
dot.
Teo? What does E say?
E.
Eh, eh, eh.
And you do a line like that. That's right.
Good job, Teo.
And then it's lowercase e. That's, and then you just keep going where that arrow goes. Go all the way around the circle.
Mom.
Yeah, he's learning how to write his letters now.
Yeah, look at that. Teo, what's this? What's this? And what has he got at the end of his trunk there?
It is a snow day.
It's snowing outside.
It's snowing out there. We actually got a lot less than a lot of people around here. A lot of people around here got like 9 or 10 inches. We only got 2. But we're getting all bundled up.
The snow is sticking.
And the snow is sticking.
But it's more than we normally get.
But it's more than we normally get.
The snow
Yeah.
is colored. That's white. That's the color of the snow.
Yeah. Teo and Sophie, you're ready. You can go outside. I've got to finish getting Alex ready too.
Come on, Teo, let's go. And I need one.
There they go.
My shirt, it's kind of rolled up. It's kind of rolled up from
eating snow first thing. Is it cold?
Mm-hmm.
We've got snow coming right up to the door here. And Mama's gonna stay inside with a hot cup of coffee and enjoy the silence while the kids are playing outside. I usually love the snow, but this year I'm kind of feeling ready for spring. I don't know. Usually I'm really excited about snow and I do think it's pretty, but I'm not desiring to go out in it like I usually do. So this year I'm just going to stay inside and enjoy my coffee and watch the kids play outside. And I am thoroughly enjoying the perfectly quiet house and my coffee. Do you hear that? Silence. I see we've got little snowman over there and little snowman over there somewhere.
Yes, it's right. It's
Behind the bush.
Yes, behind the bush.
Yeah. It's been snowing all day, nonstop since yesterday. Now we got big, fat flakes coming down.
It's the 3rd day of snow. Or is it the 2nd or 3rd?
Second full day.
Aww. Will there still be some snow left tomorrow?
Probably because there's so much on the ground. Look at those big fat flakes.
What about the next day?
It'll probably be all slushy by then. It's sure pretty though, isn't it?
This is the snow for the winter 2020-2021.
I've got a ruler here. I'm going to see how much it is. It's not as much as we got for Snowmageddon. What was that, 2018? 2019?
I think that was 2 years ago, wasn't it?
It was 2 years, so 2019.
You know, when it got really icy.
Yeah. That was like a foot. This isn't that much.
Yet.
But
It's still snowing.
it's coming on down, but let's see. I think it's only like 5 or 6 inches. 4 inches.
Is that your official ruling?
Okay, let's try on the car.
Yeah, some of the places, that's only 3.5.
3.5. Yeah. Oh.
It may melt
Seems like it's a lot
a
more
little
than
more
that, but
in
it's
some
not,
places,
I
but
guess.
I think it's about 4 inches right now.
4 inches. Yeah, it's about 4 inches.
Uh-oh. It's all fun and games until somebody gets snow down their shirt.
Okay, calm down.
Yeah, you may have to push them or pull them most of the way. It's sticky. That's what I'm saying. That's why you can probably go on a steeper thing. Well, it's because it was icy. Right now the snow is wet and sticky. Sophie, you can just wait until the next run. You'll get to go on it next time. That slope's almost steep enough for them to keep going. Almost.
Just have to pull the kids down the hill. It's too slushy. This is one of the kids. I guess they made a snowman a couple months ago and we got a dusting, but that's pretty good. And I can't remember if that one's Alex's or Sophie and Teo's. But then we have another one over here. Its poor face fell in. But that was a good snowball there. Yeah. This is a very exciting day for Alex today because the Mars lander Perseverance is landing on Mars and we get to watch it live.
It's got less than a minute left.
Alex is so excited.
So that was the blast off of the rocket from Earth.
It's so close. There it goes! There goes the parachute!
Well, that's all computer
That's
animation.
just an animation.
That's not the actual thing. But that's what it will do.
There it goes. Sophie, there goes the Mars rover. Yay! It landed on Mars!
It isn't actually,
That's just an animation.
47, 46.
Sophie and Kirsten are watching
44,
together.
43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 25,
No, it's live.
23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10,
Where you going,
9,
Teo?
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now it's entering the atmosphere, which starts out pretty thin.
Okay.
So it hasn't landed yet.
No, it's just entering the atmosphere, and you can see that little crater, Jezero or whatever crater up at the top there is its target where it's going to land.
Alex is excited.
I will watch.
The navigation has confirmed that the parachute has deployed.
Oh, the parachute has deployed, so it's now floating down through the atmosphere.
Yeah, the atmosphere had now became thick enough that the parachute had opened.
That and the is slowed enough.
To get their first look at the surface. Velocity is 145 meters per second at an altitude of about 9.5.
There's the parachute.
Yeah. Joys of doing this with a 3-year-old.
Yep.
Has produced a valid solution for turning navigation.
Teo.
So right now the computer on the spacecraft is guiding it to its target location, because they don't just want to land, they want to land in a very specific location, because there's rocks there that they want to study.
So they had what they called a sky crane,
There goes
Yep.
the Mars
where,
rover. There
yeah,
it is.
the
That's
little
Mars
jets
rover.
that hold it up,
Yeah,
and then they have a little
thing that drops the
right, like a little bungee
Yep.
that
There
that
it is
drops it
again.
down.
Look, Grandma.
Yes.
It's the Mars rover.
All right. So it looks like they've dropped their parachute already. They can't land with just a parachute on Mars because the atmosphere is too thin.
Right.
You can't slow them enough.
So they have to have a little jet
So
landing.
they've got a
Yep.
little jet landing, yeah.
But they can deploy their parachute much sooner when they're going much faster, because the atmosphere is thinner. It won't tear the parachute apart.
Yeah.
It's just about to land.
Yeah.
Will there be a countdown?
I don't know if there's a countdown to landing.
Yay! It landed!
Yay! Perseverance has landed!
That is by far the most dangerous thing that the rover will do. Assuming it's okay, it should have a nice lifetime of science.
Perseverance landed!
Continuing to transmit.
It's down on the
Woohoo! Perseverance has now landed on Mars. This is very exciting, isn't it? Are you and Kirsten happy about this? Oh, good. So now they're getting the first image from Mars there, from Perseverance.
Low res, quick transmission rate.
Yeah, but that's amazing though. They just landed it and we're getting an image already.
Yeah. Probably as good an image as they ever got from Viking.
Yeah, within seconds.
Within seconds, yeah.
Yeah,
Because they've got thousands of times more bandwidth than they did
live
then.
in the 70s.
Showing you the safe zone that we've landed in.
There
It's enough to say it's on the ground and it's working.
Yeah,
So
there's
there
the
it is.
surface of Mars, Alex. They got their first image. And this is how we watch the landing with a 3-year-old.
Yeah. He'll never know a time when we weren't exploring Mars.
Yeah.
It's going to give us properties, size and properties of particles. We send people.
Little monkey here. You're a little monkey. You sound like a monkey too. Sophie was here.
No, your hands are too cold, Dad.